people.
Yeah.
I'm not used to someone actually holding the camera. But look what came in today. This is from Simply Tanika. If you don't follow her, I will link her page below. What did I do? She had a giveaway. It was a contest.
We'll try early morning.
That's my sister. We are planning our family vacation at the same time as I'm doing this unboxing. But I entered and participated in her quiz for, it was when she got to 700 subscribers. She is almost to 1,000. Rico, are you in the video? Rico want to be in it. Rico, you can come on. Come on, Rico. Come on, Rico. Come on, Rico, Rico. Hey, Rico, Rico. This is my brother. Hey, Rico, Rico, Rico. Okay, let's see. This is going to help me. Oh, look at this. Simply Tanika, she told me this is something that I can participate or do, or an activity to keep me butterflies. That's good. It's a coloring book, so I can color, an adult coloring book. This is pretty. During the 2-week wait, this is something I'm going to use during my 2-week wait. So I have a coloring book. Let's see. Y'all, I'm excited. This is like Christmas. Rico, Rico. Look. It says Simply Tanika. Dad, you see this?
Mm-hmm.
See. This is legit. Legit. This is a nice box.
What is that, Coach?
This is one of the ladies I'm subscribed to, and she subscribed to me.
What is that in the box?
Oh, I'm opening it up. It's an unboxing. Let's see. It's an unboxing. Look at Simply Tanika. There she is. That's pretty. Y'all, I'm keeping this. It's a cute set.
Bread like that?
Huh?
You got that bread?
Well, Dad, she probably does. Look, I have a... Oh, this is so cute. Okay. I don't want to...
Like airport near me, like Tampa.
And it's a card.
Not mine. That's too far.
Oh, it has hugs and hearts and love. Oh, glitter. This is so pretty. Thank you, Simply Tanika. Thank you, Tanika.
Get up there with it.
Again, if you are not following her, follow her page. She is getting ready to start her 7 cycle of IUI. 7 symbolize completion, so we are claiming this. It says thank you, and it has elephants. Thank you for watching. This is so cute. That's cute. You know, elephants remember everything. Oh, look. Now, this is awesome. Look at that. It has a sticker that she used to... This is so pretty. Yeah. Genesis, I'm acting like you. I don't want to rip it. Genesis. Also, if you don't follow Genesis Loveings page, she won one as well. So follow Genesis Loving. I will link hers below. All right. So this is right on time. I am on cycle day 8 right now. I have some ovulation, urine strips, and it's clinical guard.
All right, thank you.
It's a set. Do not sell separately.
$400 with contracts.
I'm trying to stay focused, y'all. This is the ovulation. Oh, and I do have pee on a stick. Pregnancy test strips. So, yay. Y'all, this is something that's going to help me. And I have some cups to use the liquid gold in. And, oh, these are cake socks. Look like cupcakes. Oh, that is so cute. A sweet treat for your feet. Oh, y'all, look at that. And it's blue. Simply Tanika. Tanika, you must like blue because I'm claiming blue for my little baby boy that I'm going to have. Well, I guess I'll leave this closed until it's time to put them on. But that's what's in the box. So again, follow Simply Tanika. Thanks for watching.